People keep saying that girls have an upper hand over boys, and if you've ever felt that, you're not completely wrong, but you're also not seeing the full picture. And that's exactly where most people get stuck, because they notice one part of reality and turn it into the whole story, and that leads to frustration instead of growth. Let's start with what's obvious. In today's world, especially with social media, girls often receive attention much more easily than boys. They get more likes, more messages, more validation without having to prove much at the beginning. A simple post can bring in hundreds of reactions, while a guy posting the same thing might get ignored. That difference is real, and pretending it doesn't exist just makes the conversation fake. But here is where most people misunderstand things. Attention is not the same as advantage. Attention is easy, but it's also easy to lose, and most of it doesn't actually mean anything. It doesn't automatically create respect, it doesn't guarantee success, and it definitely doesn't build a strong future. In fact, constant attention can create pressure, expectations, and even insecurity, because now everything you do is being judged. Now look at the other side. Boys, for the most part, don't grow up with that same level of easy validation. They are expected to prove themselves, to earn attention, to earn respect, to earn results. And at first, that feels unfair. It feels like you're starting from behind while someone else is getting a head start. But over time, that disadvantage forces something important. It forces growth. It forces effort. It forces you to build real value instead of relying on external validation. When you don't get things easily, you either give up or you level up. And the ones who choose to level up end up developing skills that actually matter. Think about it. When you don't get attention, you learn how to improve yourself. When you face rejection, you learn how to handle it. When things don't come easy, you build discipline. And those traits, discipline, resilience, focus, are what create long-term success in almost every area of life. The real issue is not that girls have an advantage. The real issue is how you respond to that idea. A lot of boys see this difference and immediately fall into a victim mindset. They start blaming the system, blaming social media, blaming other people, and using it as a reason to stay the same. They focus on what they don't have instead of building what they can control. Here is the part most people don't want to hear. The world does not reward potential, it rewards value. If you become someone who has skills, discipline, confidence, and purpose, you will create opportunities for yourself that go far beyond attention or validation. People will respect you, trust you, and want to be around you because of what you bring, not just how you appear. And this applies to everyone, not just boys, not just girls. Anyone who relies only on what comes easy eventually hits a limit, because what comes easy rarely lasts. What you build through effort does. Another thing people ignore is that different advantages exist in different areas. In some situations, one side might have it easy. In others, the opposite is true. Life is not a single game with one rule. It's a combination of many different environments, and your ability to adapt matters more than where you started. So instead of focusing on who has it easier, focus on what actually moves your life forward. Improve your skills. Take care of your body. Build discipline. Learn how to communicate. Learn how to create value. These are things that no one can take away from you, and they matter far more than temporary advantages. Because at the end of the day, the people who win are not the ones who had the easiest start. They are the ones who stayed consistent, who kept improving, and who refused to waste their time complaining about things they couldn't control. You can keep focusing on who has the upper hand, or you can build yourself into someone who doesn't need one. And once you reach that point, the entire question becomes irrelevant. Because your life is not decided by who had it easier at the beginning. It's decided by what you chose to do with the time you were given.